Welcome to Agricultural Science for JSS 2. Today, we will learn about common farm pests and diseases of crops, their identification, effects, and control methods. What are farm pests? Farm pests are organisms, insects, rodents, birds, nematodes, that damage crops, livestock, or stored produce. Pests cause significant losses to farmers, sometimes destroying entire harvest. What are crop diseases? Crop diseases are abnormal conditions caused by pathogens, fungi, bacteria, viruses, nematodes, or environmental factors that reduce crop health and yield. Types of crop pests. 1. Insect pest. Insects are the most common and damaging category of crop pest. They damage crops by chewing, mandibulate insects, or sucking plant sap or piercing sucking insects. Common insect pests in Nigeria. Aphids, Aphis spp, tiny, soft-bodied insects that suck plant sap, especially from young shoots and leaves. They cause yellowing, culling of leaves, and stunt plant growth. They also spread viruses. Affected crops, cowpea, tomato, pepper, maize. Control, insecticides, dimethoate, natural predators, ladybirds, remove affected parts. Mealybugs, Plenecoccus spp, soft, oval insects covered with white waxy powder. Found on cassava, citrus, cocoa. They suck sap and excrete honeydew. Control, spray with water, neem oil, or insecticides. Stalk borer, Boscia fusca, Sesamia calamistus larvae bore into maize and sorghum stems, destroying the growing point. Signs: dead heart, dead central shoot, holes in stem. Crops: maize, sorghum, millet. Control: early planting, remove affected plants, chemical sprays. Leafhopper, Empoasca spp, small, wedge-shaped insects that suck sap and transmit viral diseases. Affected crops: cowpea, cotton, maize. Control: insecticides. Grasshopper and locust, Acrididae chew leaves, stems, and crop produce. Locusts can swarm in millions and devastate entire fields. Control: chemical sprays, malathion, deodorant, biological control, early planting. Whitefly, Bomygia tobosi, tiny white flying insects that suck sap and transmit cassava mosaic virus. Control: insecticides, resistant varieties. 2. Rodents. Rats, mice, squirrels, damage maize cobs, cassava, yam, and stored grains. Control: rodenticides, rat poison, traps, cats, proper storage. 3. Birds. Calia birds, weaver birds / Calia eat green crops like rice, sorghum, and millet in flocks of millions. Control: scaring devices, nets, chemical sprays. 4. Nematodes, roundworms. Melodigine spp. Root knot nematodes, microscopic worms that attack plant roots, causing galls, knot-like swellings. Affected crops: tomato, cowpea, yam, cassava. Control: crop rotation, nematicides, resistant varieties. Common crop diseases in Nigeria. 1. Maize rust, Poxinia soggy fungal disease causing orange-red powdery spots on leaves. Spread by wind. Control: resistant varieties, fungicides. 2. Tomato blight, Phytophthora infestans water mold causing dark brown lesions on leaves, stems, and fruits. Spreads rapidly in wet weather. Control: fungicides, mancozeb, reedy meal, resistant varieties, good drainage. 3. Cassava mosaic disease, African cassava mosaic virus viral disease transmitted by whitefly. Symptoms: yellow/green mosaic pattern on leaves, stunted growth, poor yield. Control: plant virus-free cuttings, healthy planting material, control whiteflies, resistant varieties. 4. Groundnut rosette, viral disease of groundnut. Symptoms: yellowing and stunting. Control: resistant varieties, control aphid vectors. 5. black pod disease of cocoa, Phytophthora parmivora fungal disease causing black lesions on cocoa pods. Very destructive. Control, regular pruning, allows airflow, remove infected pods, copper-based fungicides. Methods of pest and disease control. 1. Cultural control, farming practices that reduce pest and disease incidence. Crop rotation breaks pest and disease cycles. Early planting and avoids peak pest seasons. Use of resistant varieties. Proper spacing improves air circulation. Timely harvesting. Pruning and removing infected plant parts. 2. Biological control, using natural enemies to control pests. Ladybirds and lacewings eat aphids. Trichogramma wasps parasitize caterpillar eggs. Bacillus thuringiensis, BT, kills caterpillars. 3. Chemical control, using pesticides. Insecticides for insect pests. Fungicides for fungal diseases. Herbicides for weeds. Nematicides for nematodes. Rodenticides for rodents. Precaution, follow label instructions, wear protective equipment, avoid contaminating water bodies. 4. Integrated pest management, IPM, a combination of all control methods to minimize pesticide use while maintaining effective pest control. Remember, pest equals insects, aphid/stalk borer/locust/whitefly, rodents, birds, nematodes. Diseases equals fungal, rust, blight, black pod, viral, cassava mosaic, groundnut rosette. Control methods, cultural, rotation, resistant varieties, timing, biological, predators, BT, chemical, insecticides, fungicides, nematicides, IPM, combination. Always wear protective gear when using chemicals. Thank you for studying with us today.